big update in the AI world today. Perplexity just dropped a bomb. Their AI browser, Comet, it's now completely free worldwide. Yup, you heard me right. When it launched back in July, it was locked behind their Perplexity Max plan, and that thing cost like $200 a month. Crazy, right? But now, no paywall, no waitlist, no catch, just free. Comet works kind of like ChatGPT built straight into your browser. You type in a question, it searches the web, pulls info, and gives you a clean ad-free summary. Super smooth. This is basically Perplexity taking a swing at Google, Bing, even Arc. They're saying, yeah, we're in the game, and you don't got to pay to try it. If you're into AI tools or just sick of cluttered browsers, Comet's worth checking out. I'll drop the link down below. Have you guys messed around with Perplexity before? Do you think AI browsers are the future or just hype? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious what you think. And hey, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next AI drop. Appreciate you watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.